So I'm going cookie crazy. Cookie crazy, seriously. Like, cookies are all over my dining room table. Cookie dough is like splattered in random places that I have to find a little bit later. I'm just having a blast making cookies. Y'all know I don't touch cookies that often, but when I do, it's fun. It's creativity. I'm just not used to it and I'm still getting comfortable with it. I think I'm getting there. So in this video, it's not going to be as structured as I would like for it to be because it's cookies, and me and cookies were like, I want to show you guys how I make these really cute gingerbread cookies, or gingerbread men or people. That ended up making snowflakes, Christmas trees, Santa hats, some random cookies, kind of like a cookie with me video. And let me know what baking you've done or are doing for the holidays. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, press on the notification bell, and let's get started. Wait, okay, there's this thing on I don't know if it's on Instagram or TikTok, but if you could follow with your eyes, you're a crazy person or something, and I feel like I got it. So it was like it doesn't, I guess you have to see it because this feels stupid. I'm sorry. Okay, Cake I have baked my cookies, some to perfection, some not so much, but this is my Gingerbread Man cookie. I have some black royal icing, and I'm going to start off by piping the eyes, and I'm going to attempt the mouth. You know what's real when I have icing on my finger and I haven't even started yet. So this is a semi 15-second royal icing, so it takes almost like around 15 seconds for a drizzle to melt into the rest of the bed. I ended up making 4 times the amount of royal icing that I wanted to, so running out of icing today is not an issue. And I'm not used to cookies because look, I done broke little man's arm and I did not mean to do that. I just was trying to settle the icing a little bit, but I glued it back with some more icing. So now I'm going to dot his eyes with a little bit of white. These long kebab sticks really came in handy for this project. It makes no sense. So once I have the eyes and the mouths on some of the cookies, I'm gonna let it harden for a couple of hours. It may not even take that long. I just want it to be safe. And now I have my beige royal icing, and I'm going to outline the entire cookie. And initially I wanted to airbrush the cookie brown after I had it completely set, but I never got around to airbrushing it, so that's why I made a lighter color brown so that I can add some dimension later on. That was my intent, but we got what we got. It still is really cute. So now I'm going to outline the eyes and the mouth, and then do my favorite part and flood the entire cookie. I was trying to make happy eyes with this cookie, and there is no mouth because I wanted to see what the mouth would look like if I drew it on with some edible marker. And my happy eyes did come out a little bit wonky, but I knew that I could cover it up a little bit with that brown icing. The sun was going down, so I let all of my cookies set overnight, and then by the next day I came back. I think they look really good, actually. I'm going to make Santa hats because I feel like their heads are really big. I don't know if it's because the eyes are small, but there's a lot of extra head space. So I piped the white for the top of the Santa hat, and then I put some firmer icing into a sandwich bag, cut the corner off, and then I just piped some cute little swirlies onto the arms and legs. If you notice the camera being super shaky, it's because I'm holding the camera with one hand and then piping with the other hand. So there's a lot of multitasking going on right now. This is the part of the video where the structure went out of the door. I had been icing cookies for 3 days. I made random cookies out of nowhere and was deciding on filming them. But at this point, I had become one with my icing. I had icing on a spoon and let it drip perfectly onto the cookie without any type of spillage. That literally blew my mind. Little teeny bit of a toot my horn moment. Toot toot. So now I'm using some super thick royal icing in green to make little heart decorations, and you know, they didn't look that great, but they didn't look bad. Now it is time to work on some snowflake cookies. I actually went out and bought a snowflake cookie cutter that I loved. I do the same process. By then I was a little bit tired. Like, I don't know what happened there. I just gave up and shut down. I ended up dipping those cookies in the white and it turned out better. I didn't film any of that, but you know, just imagine. So I came up, at least I thought I came up with these really simplistic trees. Now I don't have any tree cookie cutters, but I have loads of leaf cookie cutters that I bought for the fall. So I just used a large leaf cookie cutter and I went in with some thicker green icing and just made little dots of spiky icing onto the leaf, and it turned out looking like a Christmas tree. I didn't bother to cover the bottom of the tree because it looks woodsy enough to me, and I finished it off with some powdered sugar to look like snow. I did one with sprinkles to look like ornaments, but it just looked like I did too much. So I love the simplicity of this, and I'm gonna leave it just like that. The snowflakes I finished off with some rock crystal candy and some snowflake sprinkles. Here are the Santa hats that I did. I love them. I finished them with sprinkles and disco dust, and it is driving me insane. It's everything to me. My gingerbread cookies, of course, look amazing. I mean, you know, I see a lot of flaws, but not bad, girl. We are coming up in the world. Here are my Christmas trees, looking like they are fresh out of the forest. And then I also did signage cookies. I actually over flooded the nice, so I went in with some white. And I really like how this one turned out. It was a complete mistake, but it turned out really nicely. And then lastly, I piped a few cookies and filled them with jam, and then did a little bit of icing on the top. And here are all of my cookies together as a family. There are certain milestones throughout baking, and this is definitely one of them. This is the largest variety of cookies that I've ever done. They all look pretty good, if I must say so myself. I went heavy on the almond and vanilla extract, so they taste really good. I hope that you guys enjoyed this one. Oh, also, I made an ugly sweater cookie with a struggle face, and my mommy made a cookie, and this is her ugly cookie. Couture in a variety of beautiful Christmas cookies. Bye, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed that video. What are you doing with this whole like pandemic? What is that? Girl, I thought my packages started moving on their own. It's Jaguar. But yeah, did you have to like cancel your Christmas plans? You know what I hate? Can I just share what I hate? I was watching the news and this guy was like, you know, we want to be safe. Christmas is canceled because we're not going to get together. And Christmas is literally to celebrate Christ Mass. And I just don't understand. It's not canceled. It's never canceled. That's like saying we can't have a birthday cake for my birthday, so my birthday is canceled. No, you were born on this day. Regardless, like Christmas is still Christmas. It's not canceled. You just can't meet with the people that you want to meet with. You can't, you know, be with your family. That sucks. But Christmas is about the birth of Jesus Christ. That's what we celebrate. Christmas with the Cranks, I really like that movie too. But they kept saying Christmas is canceled this year for us. We're going on a cruise. You'll be on a cruise for Christmas. Christmas is still there. I love y'all so much for watching. I thank you for watching, and I thank you for staying subscribed to me, even though it's been a whole year of pretty much me being ghostly and non-existent here on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram at Marishas_Couture and at Marishas_Couture_Cakes. I'll see you guys in the next video. Alexa, play. Don't want a lot for Christmas. I don't want you all I own. Yeah. You can eat this mystery right here. Because I don't know what I was trying to do here. Come here. Sit. Good. Oh, up. Okay, good boy. Where's Paul, though? Good boy. There you go. Man, he's going to get that dye on his bed because it's still kind of wet.